Slave Falls Generating Station was originally built by Winnipeg Hydro on the Winnipeg River, about an hour and a half northeast of Winnipeg. Back in 1928, they started construction on this plant to support the city of Winnipeg, and they built a transmission line from Slave Falls all the way to Stafford Station to make sure the power goes directly to the city. We've got aging infrastructure here. I mean, it was built nearly 100 years ago, and getting a little bit of money into it just to make it more reliable and safer for our customers and our workers is paramount. And we can extend it 30, 40 years of service.
Most of this structure is original. It's lasted pretty good so far. The concrete used back in the day was non-entrained, so water getting into the concrete, freezing up, and then kind of expanding, shrinking, and deteriorating the concrete to the point where it's starting to affect the structural stability of the spillway. The main aspects of the project, they range between surface concrete repairs, armoring the sides of the piers with steel plates, extending the piers downstream, and anchoring them into the bedrock. This project started back in 2017, 2018. There was some concerns found during that time, which led to some further investigation. Over the last 3 or 4 years, there's been a few urgent repairs done on the structure to address the immediate concerns.
So we're doing the concrete restoration on the upstream side here of the dam, all the concrete that's damaged underwater. This particular job, we're only diving at about 18 feet, so really that does give us all day for bottom time. We're just taking a jackhammer. We're going to be chipping out all the concrete that looks damaged. We're going to be drilling in some rebar, tying some mesh in, and then we're going to be doing some forming, and then mixing the grout up on the barge, pumping that down there and putting new concrete in.
Sometimes it's tough to justify a project if it's not generating revenue. But in this case, we're protecting this structure, which in turn will keep the generation flowing out of the station. So it's a necessary project so that we can maintain operation at the Slave Falls Generating Station.